You guys, today is the 20th of my 100 days speaking challenge, and today I want to talk about my greatest win this week. 20 days ago, I started a challenge of self-improvement, uh, trying to improve my communication skills, be more confident and vocal in talking to the camera. And ever since, it's been an amazing journey, because I've been getting a lot of encouragement from my fans and family and friends. So it's been an amazing journey ever since, and I'm so happy that I'm doing this. The fun fact is that I don't know where I'm going to with this, but I know I'm going somewhere, but I don't know where. I know I'm doing something positive, but I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'm just talking online. I'm just trying to talk, you get, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know who I'm inspiring. My greatest win this week is that I consistently showed up for myself every day for the past 20 days. Even when I was tired or scared, as I still spoke. So it is a win for me. It is not about how smooth I sound. It is about how brave I was. So it's been an amazing journey ever since, and I'm proud that I've been showing up for myself. Yes, and I've been noticing a little progress here and there. I've been improving in my videos. I've been more confident looking at the camera now than before. So I believe at the end of the 100 days I will really improve. So okay guys, see you tomorrow, and I'm proud that